Brake pads are a crucial part of your vehicle's braking system, responsible for creating the friction needed to slow down or stop your car. Recognizing the early symptoms of worn or bad brake pads is important, as ignoring them can lead to reduced braking efficiency and increased safety risks on the road. A squeaking or squealing noise when you press the brakes is often one of the earliest signs that your brake pads are wearing out. This high-pitched sound is usually caused by a small metal indicator built into many brake pads, which creates noise when the pads become thin. In some cases, the noise may be caused by dust, moisture, or slight vibrations in the braking system. However, if it continues regularly, it usually means the brake pads are wearing out and should be checked or replaced to ensure safe braking performance. A grinding sound when braking is a serious warning sign that your brake pads are completely worn out. At this stage, the protective friction material on the pads has disappeared, causing the metal backing plate to press directly against the brake rotor. This metal-on-metal contact produces a harsh grinding noise and can quickly damage the rotors by scratching or warping them. If this sound occurs, the vehicle should be inspected and repaired immediately to prevent further damage and ensure safe driving. If your car pulls to one side when you apply the brakes, it usually indicates a problem with the braking system, such as unevenly worn brake pads or a stuck brake caliper. When the pads on one side of the vehicle wear down more than the other, the braking force becomes unbalanced, causing the car to veer left or right. This not only affects driving control, but can also increase stopping distance and tire wear. It is important to have this problem checked promptly, as it can compromise safety and lead to further damage if ignored. The brake warning light is an important indicator found in many modern vehicles that alerts drivers to potential problems in the braking system. When the light appears on the dashboard, it is a sign that the brake pads may need inspection or replacement. Ignoring this warning can lead to reduced braking performance and possible damage to other components, so it is important to have the brakes checked as soon as possible. A burning smell after heavy braking is often a sign that your brake pads have become overheated or are excessively worn. Overheating can reduce the effectiveness of the brakes and lead to faster wear of the pads and other components. If this smell is noticed frequently, it is important to let the brakes cool and have them inspected to prevent potential damage and ensure safe driving. Regular inspection and timely replacement of brake pads not only protect your vehicle's braking system, but also ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road.